10 reasons why you should start drinking fenugreek water. 1. Digestive health. Fenugreek water can help soothe digestive issues and promote healthy digestion. 2. Blood sugar control. It may help regulate blood sugar levels, beneficial for people with diabetes. 3. Heart health. Fenugreek water can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. 4. Weight loss. It can suppress appetite and increase feelings of fullness, aiding in weight loss. 5. Skin health. Fenugreek has anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve skin health. 6. Hair health. It can strengthen hair follicles and promote hair growth. 7. Menstrual relief. Fenugreek water can help alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. 8. Breast milk production. It's often used as a natural remedy to increase breast milk production in nursing mothers. 9. Kidney health. Fenugreek water can help flush out harmful toxins from the body, improving kidney health. 10. Bone health. It's rich in calcium and can contribute to maintaining bone health.